DIY Essential Oil Body Wash.
Hello everyone.
A simple and creative way to bring essential oils into your everyday life is to add them to daily household products. Adding a few drops to a fragrance-free shower gel or a bubble bath is an easy way to do so. Making your personalized foaming body wash is even better.
Body wash is an essential part of our bathing routines.
But many of us do not pay attention to the ingredients that many commercial body washes contain. You may be putting your long-term health at risk by using products which contain dangerous chemicals. If you want to know more about this topic, I suggest you watch HBO's Not So Pretty docuseries. If you're looking for a body wash that will cleanse your skin and leave you feeling refreshed, you may want to try this essential oil body wash recipe.
Ingredients: 1½ cups of unscented Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, 4 teaspoons vegetable glycerin, 20 to 30 drops of essential oil or oils. You will also need a foaming bottle. I use an empty foaming face wash bottle.
Castile soap is just like regular soap but more eco-friendly. Rather than being made from lard or other animal fats, it is made from vegetable oils. Castile soap is also a good choice for people who want to avoid harsh chemicals.
Vegetable glycerin is made from plant oils and is known for its hydrating properties. It can help keep your skin soft and healthy. The glycerin is what will make this homemade body wash sudsy. Your body wash will still work without it, but it won't foam up as much.
Not only do essential oils smell great, but they also have therapeutic properties that can benefit your skin and calm your mind. Method
1. Pick the essential oil or oils you want to use. 2.
In your foaming bottle, add Castile soap, vegetable glycerin, and essential oils.
3. Shake well.
During the hot summer months, peppermint oil is one of my favorite essential oils to use in body wash because it has a cooling and refreshing effect.
What is your favorite body wash scent?
Are you going to give this DIY a try?
Let me know in the comments below.
Visit Cosette's Beauty Pantry for DIY beauty recipes and much more on cosettezamek.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't already.